Welcome to another exciting episode of Geek Inside. Today, we're journeying through the intricate maze of the Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH exam. This is no ordinary exam, but a challenging gauntlet thrown down by the EC Council, testing your knowledge and skills in ethical hacking and penetration testing. The CEH exam is like a complex puzzle filled with multiple choice questions and practical tasks that span across various cybersecurity domains. Imagine a wide expanse of knowledge divided into several key territories. The domain of Introduction to Ethical Hacking acquaints you with the basics of ethical hacking, from the jargon to the methodologies and the legal aspects. Footprinting and Reconnaissance teaches you the art of gathering data about targets, both through active and passive methods. The Scanning Networks domain introduces you to tools and methodologies for scanning networks and identifying vulnerabilities. In Enumeration, you'll delve into the techniques for discovering active hosts, usernames, and open shares on target networks. System Hacking exposes you to the darker side of the spectrum, teaching you how to gain unauthorized access to systems. Malware Threats helps you understand the different types of malware, how they spread, and how to mitigate them. Sniffing educates you on how to intercept and analyze network traffic to capture sensitive information. Social Engineering takes you into the human mind, exploring the psychology behind social engineering attacks and manipulation tactics. Denial of Service, DOS attacks, teaches you about the different types of DOS attacks and how to counteract them. Session Hijacking shows you how to take control of active sessions between users and systems. In Hacking Web Servers and Applications, you'll learn to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. SQL Injection teaches you about SQL injection attacks and techniques for exploiting vulnerabilities in database-driven applications. And finally, Cryptography introduces you to cryptographic concepts, algorithms, and their applications in cybersecurity. But understanding these domains is just the first step. The real challenge lies in preparing for the exam. So keep an eye out for our next video where we'll dive into study materials, hands-on practice, and exam-taking tips to crush the CEH exam. And with that, we wrap up our deep dive into the CEH exam. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Geek Inside for more insights into the world of cybersecurity. Until then, keep hacking ethically, of course.